with my sister. Bread taste test. Ate, it's a crab head. Ala, parang ayoko pala. Mami, I don't like this. Kaya. Okay, snow crab taste test. It tastes like regular crab. Paano kaya ito buksan? Ang nakikita ko sa mga mukbanger, iniikot muna nila na gano'n. Yeah. Do you want to taste a crawfish, Mami? Taste a crawfish. Sabi ni Baby. Manahimik daw muna ako kasi di na raw sila magkaintindihan. Sige. Anong dream kitchen?
This is so nice,
Yung rent nakatago sa Cambre. Ate.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, hindi siya mabasagin, matalino.
Ay, that's so smart. I like this detail. Kaso, kita ka doon.
Hala.
Kita ka sa labas. Walang door doon.
Wala. This is my luggage. Why is it here? Yes. Dito tayo doon.
One night lang kayo sa hotel.
Dito.
Bakit ganyan yung pagtaon?
May naglalaban na.
That's the best room. The master bedroom.
Ay, ikaw naman nga mag-tour. Puro na pagmumukha ako.
Gusto ko yung mukha mo. Ha? Oo nga. Ay, sige. Diyan ka kakain. Magluluto. Oo nga. It's so nice.
Alam niya ito yung liguan. Napakadami.
All the details of the house are so nice. Wait lang.
Sige, pasok ka nga, te. Pasok tayo. Sarap.
Pasok tayo! Maliligo! Maliligo! Kita na naman sa labas. Kita ka doon sa mga bintanang yon habang naliligo. It's a walk-in closet!
Ate, wala na kami ng bag sa pamilya natin.
Wow, baby! This house is so nice!
Ay, ikaw naman, Chris. Uy, ayaw mabuksan. Wag na lang, never mind. Ay, garden room daw, sabi ni Kuy Crotty. Pagka gusto mong titigan yung kaisa-isa.
May fish.
Tapos hagi nga to, kanina-kanina pa nag-joke. Pero joke lang yung Airbnb, hindi na kami kasya doon, no? Teka, sisilipin ko muna, baka dito si Kuy Crotty. Ay, ate, tinakot niya ako sa people! Uy, Kuy Crotty, ba't mo ginawa yun? Alam mo na. Okay, so ito yung master bedroom. Sabi, dito raw kayo matulog. Ano siya, hello? Kami ba kakasal ni Ma? Siyempre, doon kami sa sofa bed. Ganyan nga.
Amay mo to.
Sister wedding day. Good morning, sister wedding day. Less iba.
Practice for the bouquet toss. Sister ganun.
Wedding. This is the wedding volume.
Kong King. It's so cold. It's so cold outside. It's so cold.
Program.
Ito yung enter. Ah, wow.
Dito ang ceremony. Dito tayo lalakad.
Napakagaling mo, baby. Kuy Crony, ang galing mo. Wow. Ang sarap mabuhay sa malamig na lugar. Okay. Napakalamig ng buhay ko. Yan, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, teka. Sorry! Ang taga ng purple tree. Dadaan ako sa purple tree. Ayaw ko na umuwi. Lumot. Napakitaan ko kayo ng talaba.
Those are barnacles.
Oh! Bicycles. Today, I will drink the most coffee. Ewan ko, te. Silaw na ako. Ito yung mga panahon na nagsisisi ako na hindi ko pinapalagyan ng transition sa lamin ko kasi gastos lang. Eh, nakaganyan. Kay Kraki.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Aray ko, nag-crack yung joke ko. Hello? Ano kayang binabasa nun, sir? Crest White Coffee.
Sila nagsayang sila ng crest.
Tinutrush mo na niya, tapos dinora.
Specific pa yung brand mo. Bugok, hinahanap niya daw yung 3 bugok sa taas.
Naka-play na yan.
Ay,
Kunwari.
Diyos ko po, naka-play na pala. Paano ba to? Ayan.
Yan, landscape. Ay. Zoom mo, zoom in mo tayo, zoom in. Yan. Thank you. Ika tayo. Halika na. Okay, thank you, sis.
Hindi.
Hindi ka pa rin tapos?
Hindi.
Ate, tama na yung bad yung ano ko storage. Ate, ito yung, ano yan, yung snow, Society of Snow. Tapos biglang may quiz pag, ate, paano pag may quiz pagkatapos?
Bagsak na tayo.
Kung Krati, ano sagot natin sa exam? Letter B. B for bugo. May message yun. Pag uwi na lang assignment. Country. Teka. Hala, nakakalimutan ko na yung telepono ko. Uy, ano to? Ate, Mark was here. Sino kaya yung sige?
Sinigang, gusto niyo?
Kaway ka sa vlog. Kay Crocky. Sa bahay. Wala na.
Why are you crying again?
Pupunta kami sa Sea Lions. Sayang ko lang.
I know vampire, right? Vampire will fade to me.
Oh, ate.
Sabihin ko,
I trusted you to protect
Sabi ko, you're my idol.
But you did.
You're my idol. But that's before.
I will show you,
That
Diane.
happened, Bella.
Diyos ka po. Magkaiba pa kayo ng sinasabi. Wala kayo magkaiba ng sinasabi.
I have done.
Ano sila yun? Ayun nga. Ay! Alin yung seal? Alin yung sea lion? Ito yata yung sea lion. Tapos ito yung seal. Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban. Kaya palang labo ng mata ko. Yung glasses ko, nasaan ba? Nawala na. Na-deliver na yung salamin ko sa kayo.
Ilang layers na suot mo na?
Dami. Birds lang. Uy!
Baba nila yung pandit.
Nagbablog pala to eh. Dalawa na eh, dalawa.
Tama na ang laundry content. Sa-set up ko yung camera ko dito.
Ayos na.
This is the shower dough. Shower dough, the bread. May I eat that leftover egg?
Oo, sa'yo na.
Mami, alam mo, ikaw ay love na love ko pa.
Ako. Eh, matutuyo ba tayo? Alis na.
Katiwalaan namin ng magsala.
Joke lang.
Nakusira ulo. Isipin ko kung ano to.
Depends on the season, but like sometimes it's different colors. Sometimes we have the cherry blossoms. Hey. I considered you a friend. Okay, anyway, so like Trish was pinapagalitan ako ni Trish kasi she says I was konyo.
Sige. Paano natin titikman yun? Pareho kayo. It's crispy. Yeah, because it's crispy.
Again, like let adults be adults. Container. So I'm at MAC Cosmetics with Trish. Well, I'm waiting for them to finish with their makeup. I always say I work off of alternate universe. Like for a while, there were a lot of movies that focus on alternate universe. There's Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, and then there's Everything Everywhere All at Once. I just want to say, like, I keep going off of what ifs. Like, what if all of this didn't happen to me? What if I had lived in the US back when my mom told me to, so I wouldn't face all of these problems? What if, blah, blah, blah. I just want to say, like, life happens for a reason, okay? Like, you are where you're meant to be for a reason. And while you can go through all of those scenarios, like run through all of those what ifs, at the end of the day, you know, like you made your choices and they placed you where you are, and there's just no path but forward. So just pick yourself up and keep going. I'm glad, like, despite all the problems, it's made me who I am today, and I'm just glad that, you know, like, just thank you for the problems, I guess, life, because it's placed me at this exact MAC Cosmetics, seeing one of my best friends in a really long time. I just wanted something deep because I think her like vlogs just like have a deep message to them for her kids. So hello kids, I'm Juan, or Yuan, or you according to my American friends, or Captain You soon, but once I become a sea captain, because I am planning that. Yeah. Also, yeah, that's lined up. I'm gonna be a sea captain. Like, imagine that's not gonna happen if I stayed back home.
What color is this?
Very red, pink red, cherry red.
Baby, this is the time you vlog me.
Gusto ko
Nakita ko na yung title. Nakita ko na yung title.
Sorry. Wait, I gotta zoom in.
I put on lipstick for this. You should still be vlogging.
Okay, well, watch your step. Don't be hitting anyone now.
Why are you not filming my hair? I ordered the Emma Sway.
I got yung pistachio matcha.
Shorts lang at t-shirt. Ako alam mo kailang layers damit ko? I have...
Apat.
Ay, hindi.
Tatlo.
Naghubad ako. Ito yung pang-apat eh.
Okay.
So, I have a shirt. And I have a turtleneck first. And then a shirt.
Don't
and
stay
then...
there.
And then a cardigan. Magdawa ko tumayo dyan. But why? Why shouldn't I stand there?
I mean, it's not gonna fall, but, you know, better safe than sorry.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Oh, I thought it
Maghihiwalay
was a
na
photo.
kami.
I was just smiling.
Baby, bye-bye! Baby! Nalimutan na agad ako ni you.
It's a video. Oh my god, landscape! Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, for the vlog. Then, daw ginigin ako. Pakainat.
Sige nga.
Hindi, joke lang. First layer, second layer, then third layer, which is color red, like my mom. I'm teaching them how to layer. Oh, this is the third layer. I'm so Di ako masyado mag-vlog. Wanna enjoy myself. Yeah. It's a small world after all. face on hurt. Thank you.
I will grade, the grade is 65%. Mabagal at nagtatanong. Pwede mga exam na gano'n.
Ang tagal ka nang huling
Adoy, bagsak. Bagsak. Kaya ito top 2 lang eh.
Ang tagal ko
Hindi na
hindi
ako
nakagas.
Kasi
Teka,
ano
sa'yo ka ito ilalagay.
ang discard ito. Kasi nagagamit mo ito.
Chew.
Black and white cows. Black and white cows. Black and white cows. Black and white cows. Yan na sila! Black and white cows! Napakalabo ni Kuy Crocky. Pinaglakan ako sa labas. Napakalabo ni Kuy Crocky. Akala ko gina-joke mo ako. Akala ko sinadya mo. Hello. I have my own room. This is my study table. Slash, mag-edit ako mamaya at mag-upload na ng vlog kasi wala na akong nagagawang makabuluhan sa buhay ko. Okay. Possum time. Spin, spin, spin. Your nose. Hindi naikot. Kapang ng tenga ko. Hotdog. Ito nga, I will focus. More flowers.
Les appareils électroniques portatifs
Complimentary. Ngayon, ito na lang suot ko. Sando, long sleeves t-shirt. Kanina, on top of my t-shirt, meron pang vest, cardigan, at hoodie. I mean, zip-up jacket na may hoodie. I took 3 layers off. Na-delay na naman flight namin ng 1 hour. Tapos ngayon parang nagkakagulo sila dun sa may boarding counter. 2 a.m. ang boarding. Dapat 1. Kaso delayed nga ng 1 hour. Ano bang ini-inspection mo dyan?